This is Deepika Bhaskar from JK Jain School. Today I am going to take class for 4th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is matter and materials. Already we have seen about the matter, materials and the properties of materials. We are going to learn about the transparent material. Transparent means we can see through it. We can see the image. Here we have to see the definition here. Objects that allow light to pass through them. That means the object which allows the light to pass through them. Example, air, glass and pure water. We can see the clear image of the materials. So it is clearly visible to us. We can see the other side of the image also. We can see through it clearly. It allows the light to pass through them. If we take a pure water, if we take a water in a beaker, put a coin in that, we can see the coin through the water. Here, water is a transparent material. So, glass is also a transparent material. We can see through it. We can see if you take a bus window, we can see the other side of the image. This is known as transparent materials. And now we are going to see about the translucent material. What is meant by translucent materials? The objects allow some light to pass through them. That means it allows some light to pass through the objects. The other lights will be scattered. So we can see the image not clearly, not visible clearly. We can see the blurred image. It's not clearly visible. The example for the translucent materials are paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable oil. These are the examples for the translucent material. Here, translucent materials does not allow full light. That means completely it not allow the light to pass through them like a transparent. In transparent, we can see the full image. We can see the image clearly. But it's not like a transparent. In translucent, we cannot see the image clearly. It will not be visible clearly. So the image will be blurred. Examples are paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable. If we pour a vegetable oil in a container, we cannot see the full clear image. Okay children, we can see it it's not very clearly. Okay, we are going to see about the opaque objects. What is mean by opaque? Opaque is nothing but it does not allow any light to pass through them. Okay, we cannot see the image at all. It forms a shadow only. It will not allow light through them. The objects does not allow light to pass through them. It's not at all allowing the light to pass through them. But it will form the shadow. A dark surface will form in the object. The example for an opaque objects are wood, metal and stone. If we see through the wood, we cannot see the image at all. If we cannot see the clear image or if we cannot see the blurred image also, it does not allow light to pass through them. In metal also, we cannot see the other side. So these are the examples for the opaque objects. We are going to see about the reflection. What is meant by reflection? The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is known as reflection. That means it reflects the light. When we pass a light through the object, it will bounce it back to us. That is known as reflection. We see the world around with us with the help of light. Where do we get light from? We get light from the sun. That is the natural source. Other than that, we are getting the light from the electric bulb, lamp also. Light may come either from sun or from other sources like an electric lamp or a bulb. The objects that give off light are called as light sources. That means we are getting the light from the sources. That is known as light sources. When light falls on a transparent material, it passes through it. However, when light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material because opaque material does not allow the light to pass through them. It does not pass through it. It bounces back. For example, mirror. It is a polished surface. It will not allow the light to pass through them, but it bounces the light back. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. When you look into the mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. What do you see in the reflection of your face in the mirror? We also see the reflections of other objects that are in front of the mirror. These reflections are formed by light and they are called as images. The images will be formed by the reflection only, children. Children, today we have seen about the reflection, transparent material, translucent material and opaque objects. Okay children, now we are going to do the activity. Fill in the blanks. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called dash. I already told you, remember, materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible materials. This is a property of flexible material because we know we can stretch or bend easily the flexible materials. Okay children. The next one is dash objects allow light to pass through them. Which objects allow the light to pass through them? Transparent object, T-R-A-N-S-P-A-R-E-N-T. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. The next one is gold and diamond are the examples of dash materials. You know, gold and diamond, steel are the examples of shiny materials because it reflects the light well. So, these are the example for shiny materials. Thank you children.